to you today with a quick haul from Peekabooplanning. My code is Cricket15 for 15% off, so go check her out. You will love her stuff. I'm going to show you just a little tiny haul that I got, but if you order under my name, which is Cricket15 again for 15% off, you will get this freebie, which are bow headers. And up at the top it also has Planner Nina _Cricket for my Instagram, so that'll keep you on track. And then you get this freebie right here, and it has bills due, bills due, budget, and then credit cards, payday, orders, date, shop, items shipped and received. And then another freebie that you can get if you join the Facebook group is she's doing some zone cleaning stickers. So this is zone 1, and it has different, let me show you. Zone 1, you can write the zone, and then it has the different stickers that you can write down what is in zone 1 and check it off. And then you have a weekly cleaner check too, and also cleaning spray bottles as well. So that's free. And what I ordered was, I think this was the $2 Tuesdays, and these are the new gratitude. I love these. 3 things a day. You can even do 3 things a week if you wanted to put that on your sidebar. So love these, love these, love these. I will definitely be ordering some more of those. And these are the individual checklists, and I love that it comes in all the different colors. Very cute. Then I ordered take trash out, or take out trash, I should say. And I got 2 of those. And then live feed at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time for Peekabooplanning. I got those. Then I also ordered the banks. Got 2 of those. And then I ordered the weekly cleaning trackers in the teal. I had them already in the black, but I wanted some in the teal to kind of go in case I have other kits that I want to match up with. So those are cool. And then I ordered the relaxation kit, and this is for the Erin Condren. These are the full boxes with some quarter boxes. Your sidebar with It's the Weekend, habit trackers, and then the fill-ins. And the fill-ins are this week: dinners, YouTube, happy mail, to clean, Instagram, to buy, organize, reminders, and then it has not happening, reschedule, and reschedule. Then here are your half boxes and your washi, and then your star flags. Your full check boxes, aren't those beautiful? Your flags at the top. Then you have your day covers, your quarter boxes, your small flags, your dates, and then Peekaboo Mail, date night, and date night for Gracie Pies. And then last but not least, you have your to-do headers. You have smaller washi, glitter washi, some deco, and then happy mail, payday, lazy day, cleaning day, and time to plan Gracie Pies. I also wanted to show you this kit called Creepy Floral, and this is for the Erin Condren. And here are your full boxes. Love these. With your quarter boxes. Look at the pumpkin and the potion and the spider web and the spider. I love it. Definitely creepy and floral. Here's your sidebar with your habit trackers and your fill-ins, and It's the Weekend. Your bottom washi, smaller washi, half boxes. Your flags, your full check boxes. Pretty. your day covers, your more flags, more quarter boxes, date dots, and Gracie Pie with Peekaboo Mail, date night, and date night. And then your glitter washi, more washi on the side, your to-do headers, some deco, and then happy mail, payday, lazy day, cleaning day, and time to plan. I love that deco. Awesome. Then I also got the September cleaning monthly kit, and this is for the Happy Planner. So here's your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday with your September, and then all your little flags with bill dues, money sign, birthdays, movies, asterisks, hearts, planes, Instagram, stars, and doctors. And then here's your second with your Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then she gives you 4 different color quarter boxes for fill-ins. And then the 8th is International Literacy Day. 9th is Grandparents' Day. 18th is Cheeseburger Day. 22nd, first day of fall. And then here's some full boxes to fill in with some cleaning, dishes, folding, more dishes, laundry, and then the cleaning bottles. Then she also gives you appointment, bill dues, 4 bill dues and 2 appointments, and then your date dots. And then here's your sidebar with happy birthday notes, appointments, another full box, goals, spending, to buy, to do, reminders, don't forget, important this month, and then September 11th, remembrance for 9/11. So that was the cleaning one. And then I also got the October one for the Happy Planner. I love this. So cute. So here's your October with your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And again, the same flags. Your boxes, your fill-in boxes with your bill dues, your appointments, and your date dots. Your sidebar, I love this sidebar, is beautiful. And your full box right here, again with the same scripts. And then your other side with Columbus Day being on the 8th, International Day of the Girl on the 11th, World Food Day on the 16th, World Vegetarian Day on the 1st, and then you've got your quarter boxes that you can do your fill-in, bill dues, whatever you would like. Okay, everybody, that is it. I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed day. Go check out Peekabooplanning and all her goodies. Definitely check out the new cleaning. We got a cleaning group on Facebook. Go check that out. That will begin on the 3rd. And don't forget to use my code, Cricket15, for 15% off. And I will catch you soon. Bye-bye.